Good morning, everyone. Jeremy here from Flatware Creations. I'm sorry about the mess. I've been super busy. And I was just thinking, I haven't done a video on my stamps yet. I kept having problems pulling the stamp I wanted out, and also I'd always have to tap it on a piece of paper on my bench to make sure the letter was correct. So what I did was I put marker on it first, and then I etched the letters in, and then I also put black marker on the front, which means the letter is facing me. So if I have it and I can't see that black, I know that the letter is wrong. And then also for redundancy, when the stamp was in my press or when I was using it, I was also double checking that I had the right letter. And then once it's in my press, I can see that I have the right letter. And this is my arbor press. So I just wanted to share that with everyone. And then whenever they're in the box, if you take a small magnet like this, whenever they're in the box, you'll be able to pull them right out individual. And then this small box, the magnet lays on the side. In my other box, the magnet stands straight up. But I just wanted to share that. Hope you guys all have a great day. Remember to subscribe and share, and I will see you guys next time.